How to construct the touch switch circuit. Construction of touch switch. Connect the collector terminal of the BC547 transistor to the negative terminal of the buzzer using a jumper wire. Connect the base, middle pin, of the transistor to one end of a 330 ohm resistor. Connect the other end of the 330 ohm resistor to third sig terminal of touch plate using male to female jumper wire and one end of a 10K ohm resistor. Connect the other end of the 10 kOhm resistor to the negative ground terminal of the battery. Connect the emitter terminal of the transistor to the negative ground terminal of the battery. Connect GND terminal of touch plate using male to female jumper to the negative terminal of the battery. Connect the positive, long terminal of the buzzer to the positive terminal of the battery. Connect VCC terminal of touch plate using male to female jumper to the positive terminal of the battery. And our circuit construction is complete. The project is working perfectly. How to make touch switch on breadboard. For full video, click on link or visit to our channel at Book of Technical. We deliver good and productive video. All video available in Hindi, Marathi and English. Welcome to Book of Technical. This video present by Inno91 Green Technologies.